Hey guys, my name is Jeff, and today we're going to be taking a look at a very cool and a very rare car. This is the 1989 Dodge Shadow Shelby CSX-CNT, and it's one of just 500 produced. So the background of this is Lee Iacocca parted ways with Ford and took over at Chrysler. During his time there, he decided he wanted to bring performance to the lineup and hired none other than Carroll Shelby, and together they would produce some of the craziest turbocharged performance Chrysler K cars. Now this car, the CSX-CNT, is perhaps the pinnacle of the cars they would produce, and it was the final Shelby Dodge product that would bring two new technologies, most importantly the introduction of the Garrett variable-nozzle turbo, which is what the CNT in the name comes from, or variable geometry turbo is another term that's often used to describe it. So what you have in here is the engine is known as the Turbo 4, with that name specifying the introduction of an intercooler, and it was a turbocharged inline 4 producing 174 horsepower and 205 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission sending power to the front wheels. This engine would allow this car to do 0 to 60 in 7.7 seconds, with a top speed of 156 miles per hour as tested by Car and Driver, even though the car was rated for just 129. Now in the interior here, you can see it's super cool. It's got a gray interior with Shelby Script. All 500 of these cars were finished the same way, with the exterior in exotic red, with a Kaminari Aerodynamics ground effects kit, and of course this awesome interior with the 5-speed manual transmission, which just screams 80s, and you do have a boost gauge, of course, in the center as well. Now this car did feature another cool technology, and it was known as these composite wheels, which were called fiberrides, which were lighter than contemporary aluminum wheels, and that's what those gold wheels are on the car. So a cool mix of technology that you had not seen in any other car like this, but was specific to the Shelby CSX-CNT, but of course we've seen that technology since then. Now, the MSRP for one of these was $16,000 in 1989, which is about $39,000 in 2023. These currently trade hands, though, for about $5,000 to $15,000, depending on mileage and condition. Now, if you guys enjoyed that video, could hit that like button for me. I'd really appreciate it. Consider getting subscribed for more content like this in the future. Thanks so much for watching.